My God! Oh, my left brake, my front brake are so bad. This is terrible. That's why you paid 150 baht. That's really cheap. But you like the brakes to work. It worked like 10% the front brake. The back brakes works okay. Now let's go to the shopping mall in Phuket town and find a hard drive. Oh, this insane road.
One hour later.
This is totally insane. So stupid of me to do this, to go here, but I really need the hard drive. So this is nothing I'm going to do so many times to go on these big roads. It's not many kilometers from Karun to Phuket town, but still it takes quite long time to do it, the journey, because of all the traffic and red light. Feeling like I am in the Squid Game. Red and green light, or green and red light. Central Phuket, finally! Can I park here? Yeah? Oh, check cup. Technology, electronics and technology, floor 2. Then we take a coffee break. Oh, air condition. I'm not the biggest fan of shopping mall, but can be nice to go in there sometimes. Is this floor 1 or floor 2? Floor 1. That's some hardcore motorbikes. Oh my God. Harley Davidson. 720,000 baht. Sportster Revolution. Not so expensive. So beautiful bikes. Well, this is a new Harley Davidson I've never seen. Nothing for a jive following. Oh, this is my store. On the store you need. Computer store. That was the hardest buy for me ever, to buy electronic products. So go from Karun to Phuket town today and buy this hard drive. I hope it's worth it, so I can vlog more on my channel. Now let's hit some place to eat and drink some. When you have a motorbike in Thailand, you always find a nice, genuine place to eat your food. You don't need to go to the typical tourist restaurants or McDonald's in this country. If you want to eat genuine food and don't be sick, go to these white plastic chairs places, like this one. Asaman. Okay. Masaman. Rice. And nam plau. Oh, you have here. No, I can have. Yeah, chai cup. Nam king. Nam king. Nam king. Nam king. Oh, very good. Perfect. There's always free water on these kind of places with ice. Bitter. And this masaman is an Indian dish from the beginning. Nobody thinks about that, but that's how it is. It's a really popular dish here in Thailand, but it's a genuine Indian dish, but the Thai people really love it. It's potato and curry and chicken. Not so spicy. And the chicken in Thailand is just crazy. It's amazing. Amazing. They really know how to cook the bird. This is traveling in Thailand for me, to just take a motorbike and go around eating food in typical, genuine Thai places. Or wherever you are in the world. I really love to go outside the tourist area. It's cheaper, it's more genuine. You see the country in a whole different way. But of course, tourist area are also nice. Like in the evening, they are nice to go and eat some typical tourist restaurant, but during the days I just want to run away from the typical areas of tourist areas. Not many dishes in Thailand you have potatoes, but in Masaman you have it. That's it. That's it, the road again. Oh, that was an amazing meal. Masaman. I don't know, I really have not looked at the map today. Just going by the floor. Let's hit the road again. We're going to the big Buddha in Phuket. It's going to be a really scenery road to go up here on the mountain. So this journey is not just because of the Buddha, it's because of the nice mountain road to come up there. This car really drives slow. Great scenery road here. I love the mountains in Thailand. Many mountains have roads up to them. Oh, I'm so happy I have shoes again. How can I go on the train to the airport in Sweden and just bring your winter shoes? And it's impossible to go in flip-flops. Oh, that looks so funny. This is better than an elephant ride to drive an ATV. But I'm driving a MC. That's funny also. My God, they drive fast. I can't keep up. But if you're going to drive an ATV, you should do it in the jungle or something, not on the asphalt roads. What's the point of that? I'm happy to see tourists are back in Thailand again. I'm so happy for the Thai people now. It has been so dead for them the past 2 years. It's from the 1st of November it's really starting up again with this sandbox model. I hope for God's sake they don't close down the Thailand again here. Would be devastating for the Thai people. I think I got a really good view over here, so I really need to stop here. This Karun?
Karun, yes.
Karun Beach. Kapun ka. Ah, that was an amazing sapalot smoothie. Pineapple. Oh, look at the big Buddha. Did you know it is against the law to take a selfie with the Buddha? You cannot take a selfie with the Buddha. You cannot just like taking a photo and with yourself and the Buddha in the background. I didn't believe this was so touristic, but it really looks touristic here. Motorbike parking, just cars. No, here motorbike parking. What is this? Oh my God. We spray with some disinfection. Amazing. It's so crazy, everything in these COVID times. That's a lot of stairs. Walking in this heat. I have been eating so much today. Just when I come here to Thailand, I just want to eat everything. Smoothies, fruit shakes, Thai food. Do I dare to go inside here? Looks not the safest place.